set, go. You on high now? God damn it. Look at this.
Oh my God. Tell me, just tell me how you live it, how you get it, how you live it, how you get it.
What's up, y'all? So today we're going to be reviewing a 20-inch Ecotric folding electric fat tire bike. Now this bike has a 500 watt motor and a 36 volt 8 amp hour battery. So what we're going to do, me and my little brother here, we're going to unbox this. We're going to put it together, go through all of the features, and we're actually going to go outside and take it for a test ride. We're in different weight classes, so I'm going to ride it on electric. He's going to ride it on electric to kind of get an idea of how the bike rides based on your weight class. Probably going to have a few other people ride it as well.
And I don't really have big men in mind, so to me I got separated.
Alright, so it looks like this is everything it comes with. It does look like it's going to require some level of assembly here. Like it didn't come already put together like the Swagtron bike I got before. Look like it comes with 2 sets of instructions, installation instructions. Not sure what those instructions are just yet. It also came with a box. Looks like the box has the pedals in it. Does look like it comes with a wrench, headlight, keys, which I believe is for the battery. Here's the 36 volt battery here. And it also comes with a battery. It's like a battery charger for your 36 volt battery here. So the awkward thing with these e-bikes is this part of the lever, which is what you use to bend this handlebar pole. It's always like off to the side. It's never just like straight. So when you put the handlebar on, this is where the handlebar is going to go, right? That should be straight with where your wheel goes. So all of that should match, should line up perfectly. My brother brings up a good point. This pole here, where you put the handlebar pole on the bike, he's saying that it should be an actual shape other than round to help you know when your handlebar is lined up with your wheel. Right now it's circle, which means you have to kind of eyeball it to make sure that your handlebar is aligned with your wheel. Good point. Right, in order to put the handlebar off, you do have to take the top part of the handlebar pole off, and it doesn't look like it came with the appropriate hexagon wrench in order to do that. Luckily I had one, but just want to let y'all know. So my other little brother Gabe, how would you rate the instructions on a scale from 1 to 10?
You can't rate something that's not there.
Alright, so far putting on the pedals is by far the hardest thing to do on this bike. They didn't give you the head wrench that you needed in order to do it. It doesn't, you have to figure out which angle to put the pedal in order to get it in there. All right, so we put the main parts of the bike together. How long y'all think it took us?
90 minutes?
90 minutes?
Yeah.
About 90 minutes?
Y'all, it was an hour before I got here.
So what would you give the instructions on the scale from 1 to 10?
Oh, the instructions were like a 3.
Man.
That's only because they had words. If there was no words, then I would have given it a 1 or a 2.
Good,
But they
good.
weren't great. You definitely need to have instructions that tell you these are all the pieces that you're supposed to have before you get started, and certainly have the pieces sort of labeled so you know what you're dealing with. You want to know this is piece number 9 or piece number 12. This doesn't have any of that. So you kind of have to just use common sense to put it together, which is not something that I have a ton of.
All right, real quick, we didn't have to put the rear wheel on, thank God. This bike does come with some keys that you can use to remove the battery here. See here? You can use this to take the battery out. So that's pretty cool. So to turn the bike on, you hit this red button here. Okay. Everything should light up there. And by default, you will be on a mode. Look like I'm on medium mode, but you have low pedal assist mode, medium pedal assist mode, and high pedal assist mode. Regardless of which mode you're in, you can by default use this throttle on the handlebar to go, no matter what, to go electric only. See that? So even though I'm on pedal assist mode, I can always use this to go electric only if I want to. Now, if I don't want to go electric at all, fully electric, I just want to do pedal assist only, then I'll click and hold this 6 km button here, and that'll turn the ability to use my throttle off, and then it'll only be pedal assist. See, but it already gonna go forward a little bit because I think it wants you to pedal now. So if you want to turn that feature off and go back to having more options, press and hold this button again. Also has 7 speeds here. Hit this button to change the speeds here. Okay. Didn't come with any front headlights, so we're going to take this for a test ride. We're going to try on pedal assist mode first, then we're going to switch to electric, and then we're actually going to race. We're going to race this bike against my ANCHEER bike to see which is faster. Alright, so now we're about to do a test ride on the pedal assist. We're going to do low, medium, and high. Starting with low to see how it rides on low.
Right, I want a nice Kareem. That's what I would do. Like a nice Kareem center. That way Hakeem can be my, okay, that would be fine. Or a buzzer beater.
So I'm riding on low mode here. It is a little hard to pedal, to be honest. It is a bit hard to pedal on low mode. I don't know if that's because the, I'm not sure if that's because the tires are fat or what. All right. Now let's try medium mode. Change the mode to medium. Oh. All right. Whoa, that's fast. All right, I'm riding on medium mode now. That's fast as hell. Oh my gosh. Yo. On medium mode, this is fast.
I believe that.
It's medium mode. It's fast.
You're pretty good.
All right, medium mode is probably the fastest I've been on an e-bike so far. That's really, really fast. Okay, I'm gonna try to switch it to high mode now. Switch it to high mode. All right, y'all getting this? Oh shoot! This is high mode.
You have to, okay. So you have to pedal. Okay. You have to pedal?
I think it's just on high mode. Holy shit. Oh my God. Yeah, that's fast. That's pretty fast. Holy crap. Alright, so now what we're about to do is ride around the neighborhood. Electric only. We're gonna do a little race.
ANCHEER, me and the ANCHEER against, how much you weigh?
Probably 230 right now.
Against 230 pounds. If we're gonna start back there, we're gonna go electric only, we're gonna go around the neighborhood, and then we're gonna give our honest review of what we think of the bike.
2, 1, race!
You try to keep it to the fence, you know they coming. You look bored. Told you, but
All right, so throttle only, my ANCHEER took off faster. Wait. But his bike ended up gaining up speed and he ended up winning. But my ANCHEER had more takeoff power. So notice he's not pedaling. Okay, so gonna take a ride around the neighborhood here. He is faster than the ANCHEER. I'm going about, on my ANCHEER, I'm going about 16 miles an hour. He must be going about 20 on the Ecotric. Good grief. Electric only, he's going about 20 miles an hour, I think. He weighs about 230 pounds. So I'm sure if I was on the bike, I might be going faster than that, but I'm going about 18 miles an hour. He must be going about 20. I can't catch him in my ANCHEER. I can't catch him at this point. So bro, look at this view. Come on now. Pedal assist. I'm on high mode. Okay, and he's on high mode. All right, ready? High mode. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, you ain't beat me here. Okay, come on. Come on. God damn. Really? All right, so we took these bikes on electric only mode. When we both did pedal assist, he just flew. It wasn't even close. It's like we hit start and he just got off to a head start ahead of me.
Yeah, the pedal assist on this bike feels exactly the same as the throttle does. They feel the same.
Give your thoughts about the bike. You did most of the riding.
I liked it. It was fun. It was still, the tires are big to where it's challenging if you're just pedaling it by itself. So if you want to work out, you can do that, kind of like a speed bike with the small tires. The pedal assist works great. It's the same as the throttle. If I start pedaling, it feels like I just turned this. It feels exactly the same. So the only variance is really the change in speed here. And that's it, man. Easy to control, easy to go up and down curves. Yeah.
How did it feel when you was on grass? And
Easy.
Really?
Easy.
All right, so this is my lovely lady, Janae. She's usually going on bike rides with me. When I take my ANCHEER, she usually rides the ANCHEER. So now what we're going to do is have her test this bike out so that we can compare how she likes this Ecotric compared to the ANCHEER.
go faster. See who's gonna win. Ah! Man. All right, we're about to race my ANCHEER versus Ecotric. Ready? Set. Go! Electric only, baby. What? Full throttle. I'm winning. I'm full throttle.
Yeah.
So, Janae, what did you think of the Ecotric compared to the ANCHEER that you usually ride?
Dope. Number one is faster.
Okay.
Way faster. I feel like I could beat any other bike on the road.
Mhm.
And what I liked about it was the throttle. You can still do this. It's easy. I don't have to think about what do I need to do to go faster. The seat, good for a woman.
The seat is way more comfortable, right?
We need a little bit more cushion. So I appreciate that as a woman. And I felt like the shocks were better. I felt like I didn't feel every single bump. It felt more like it took all the harshness out of every bump. I was just kind of like.
Yeah, so the ANCHEER is a little bit more bumpy.
ANCHEER is bumpy. I feel every single bump in rock.
So on this bike, you didn't feel any bumps?
No, not really. Maybe because the tires was a lot better.
All right, so Ecotric 20-inch fat tire e-bike. I have 60 days to return this bike. So comment below on whether you think I should keep this bike for the price of $799. Based on your feedback, I may keep this bike or I may take it back. So this bike says it has a battery life from 18 to 23 miles, electric only. When we went full electric, when we went for a ride around the neighborhood, we rode for about 15 minutes and none of the power battery life bars went away. So we still at full power after riding 15 minutes electric only. So 18 to 23 miles, that sounds pretty legit. So downtown from where we live is about 30 minutes in a car. She's saying that this bike could probably make it from here to downtown electric only. But you probably wouldn't be able to come back. But anyway, comment below. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.